Hi everyone, so I've been thinking about the stretches that we could do, and I decided to do one of my favorites. It's one of the best exercises for the hips, the lower back. We would be also working the groin area as well as along the hamstring and along the knee area, okay? People I find are saying that they're feeling a lot of stiffness, that sciatica has come back. This will help with this as well. We're only going to be doing a few. When I work with people, of course, there's a series of exercises. You won't be just doing these ones, but these ones are kind of what we call foundation or the basic of exercises, and are very good to be done at home 2 times a day, 1 to 2 a day if you can. But combine it with heat. So if you're feeling stiff on your hips, lower back, groin, back of the knees, calves area, get a hot water bottle and put it, not obviously directly on the skin, but put it on the area that's sore for 30 minutes. Allow the heat to penetrate into muscle, releasing that tension slightly, and combine it with these exercises to help, okay? So we're gonna come onto your back, feet together, knees together. And what I want you to do is I want you to drop one knee out without the foot coming with it. So I don't want this because you just lose the exercise then, okay? So I want to keep the foot where it is, like it's glued to the ground, and just push the knee out. It doesn't matter how far out it comes, as long as you are keeping the foot on the ground. One of the most important things, I'll continue talking as you're stretching, one of the most important things to do or to remember is to never stretch past the point, only to the point, okay? So if you're going to the point, you get to about here, and you feel the stretch, bring it back in. Don't force the stretch, okay? So you're at 7, 8, 9, 10. Try the other side, same thing, just a nice stretch. Good, working those areas. And a lot of people feel it in a lot of different places, just because people are stiff and sore in different places, and the brain will automatically focus on those weak, stiff points, okay? So keep that in mind. 8, 9, and you're doing it 10 times out and in. You're not holding, you're not forcing the stretch, you're just getting to a point of the stretch and bringing back in, okay? Much better off if you just go out and you try to force that stretch and keep holding it, you're just going to damage and tire the muscle, okay? So you're going to stretch your legs to about the width of your mat. If you don't have a mat, you just get to a point where you're just slightly further apart than hip width, okay? And drop one knee in. It's the same thing again. You don't allow the foot to come up with it. You keep the foot on the ground and you just bring the knee in. Don't try to bring the knee in too far, just to the point where you get the stretch. And you might, if we're very stiff, be feeling it along this area. Some people actually feel it through the lower back with this one, or even along the knee area if that area is stiff. 8, 9, 10. Try the same thing on the other side. You will also find that one side is always stiffer than the other, okay? Which is perfectly normal. And when I'm working with a lot of people, they will find that once the stiffened area loosens up, they'll feel the stronger one is actually stiff as well. This is simply because the brain is again focusing on the weaker point. Once that is loosened, it then goes and focuses on what's also stiff and sore, which is usually the stronger side, which is overused, protecting the weaker. 9 and 10. Let's separate those legs a little bit more now for this next one and drop both knees in. Again, don't drop your feet with it, just the knees in. And you see, you don't have to be forcing them together. We're just getting to a point where you feel that nice stretch. Now, some people might feel this now at your sciatica point or right in the middle of that lower back, just along the coccyx area, okay? That is perfectly normal. You're just stretching those points out. 8, 9, and 10. Let's bring feet and knees together. And last one, I want you to slide one leg down, okay? I want you to continue pushing through the heel, so the heel is still stretching and the toes are being pulled back towards you, and then back up again. So you slide down, it's as if I'm grabbing your heel, pulling the heel, continuing that stretch, and the toes are pulled back towards you. 2, nice stretch. 3. And what we're doing is we're actually stretching everything from the lower back now. 4. And like I said, everyone will feel it at different areas at different points. 5. Try to slide it. 6. 7. So we don't want lifting, you want sliding. 8. 9. 10. Other side. 1. And again, one side would be stiffer than the other. And the reason why I'm putting this one in, not only is it a great one to finish up after the warm-up stretches, but also it's good for the calf. I'm figuring people are walking, running a lot, doing a lot of exercises the only exercises that we can do. And this is just great to stretch out the calves. Okay, so we're not getting cramps and all those horrible other things that come with it. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Okay, coming into seated position. Okay, so like I said, try to aim once or twice a day, okay, if you feel you're stiff in those points, and also try to heat. If you know anyone that will benefit from this, please share it and like or subscribe to the channel. I will be trying to put up more of these stretches because I'm getting a lot of PMs about people feeling very stiff in certain areas. If you are in that case and you feel stiff, anything muscular can be stretched. Anything, and I mean from the hands, if there's arthritic hands, to the feet, okay? Anything. So if you have a point that you're going, I feel I'm in pain and I'm stiff, private message me and I will put up or give you advice of, I'll put a video or give you advice of how to work it, okay? Hope you're all staying safe. Bye.